Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the dollar pairs are moving pretty strong today. The euro dollar is going down very strong. Now we have two options here. Option number one is that we're going to pull back to the last five waves up right here. So one, two, three, four, five waves up. If that's true, then this will be a 61, maybe 78% pullback, and then it will just end up continuing the uptrend. Now, option number two is something I've been talking about in my Zoom meetings, which is that this is potentially a wave one, and we're now in a wave two. A wave two is still a pullback, but it's a pullback to the whole move. Wave twos normally take out the structure of a wave four before they go up. So if this is really a wave two, it will take out the low of wave four before it goes back up. Either way, though, we should be looking for shorts, so not too big of a deal. Going down to the 1 hour time, the 4 hour time frame, that is, I definitely would be looking for shorts, and I definitely would be trying to go short at the end of a big old candle like that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I personally would only be looking for shorts right now, but I wouldn't be trying to go short at the end of a big old giant candle like that. I would be looking to go short at the end of one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks. So if and when we get another three-way pullback, which I'm sure we will, because I would imagine this is going to go down at least to the 61 or the 78%. So when and if we get another three-wave pullback, that's where I will be looking to go short again for the continuation of either a wave two correction or just a pullback to the last impulsive move up on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.